This video is brought to you by thunderbirdbob.com. I got an inquiry today from a customer who was having trouble with their center armrest not holding down. So I've got this armrest I took out. It's already been removed from a vehicle, and took a look, and the customer's issue was with this part right here. This little inside piece was pushed down so his armrest wouldn't hold down. So to get this part out, I'm going to show you the bottom of it. And if you look here on the bottom, you can see this little notch here is really what's holding it in place. So I put a screwdriver in that spot and pushed outward so that it came out. You know, that put it at an angle, and then I went and did the same thing on the other piece, and it came out. In the event that you have this problem, I do have a very, very limited number of these available. Let me know.